Hello everyone. I'm recording myself and going to demonstrate to you how to use Vertex AI. And in this video, you are going to see some lab work in which you are going to uh, understand regarding how Vertex AI model works, how we can use different uh, terms or how we can define different tokens and create some insightful answers. And also, I'll demonstrate to you how you can train and test your model. So let's see. So now you can see that this is a dashboard of GCP. Okay. So in this, I'm going to use Vertex AI. Okay. So I need to enable it, whatever the recommended so here you can see that we have a lot of options like Colab Enterprises, Modern Garden, Vortex AI Studio, Prepare Data, Model Development, Deploy and Use. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this Vortex AI Studio. Okay. So in this Vortex AI Studio, the next term which I'm going to use is that I'm going to try this Gemini. So here in this Gemini, you can see that we have this prompt and with this use of prompt, I can use to ask certain questions and it will give me some suitable answers. So let's try with one uh, question like, okay. So I'm just asking this, can you please define Newton's law? Okay. So here you can see that we have this 11 tokens. So in this here you can see we have different words written here like hi and comma. Can you please define Newton's laws and multiple integration? So everything here written is tokens. So if you see the tokens, so you can see here that these are the tokens here. Okay. And that is why you can see that we have 11 tokens. If I'll click token ID to text, so this is a text format. If I'll look for token ID, this will be some like not some, this will be definitely integers. Okay, so here you can see that it's a list of integers as in tokens, which is given to the prompt. For now, just close this. Let's check the answer. So, it's not done. Okay, so here you can see that I need to increase the temperature top K and top V parameters. So these top K and V, top P parameter as well as temperatures are very useful in order to train and train your prompt. So, because this is just a demonstration, when you join the session, I'll take you through each of this and explain each and everything to you. So, next thing I want, like, uh, okay, so I'm giving a new challenge to this. Uh, so here, like, if the words are not correct, it will detect that. So I'm going to ask for a new word, which is explain this for fourth grade students. So so here you can see that every explanation we have is for fourth grade students so that a fourth grade student can understand. So now you can see that how this is trying to create some insightful answer. So for kids, it's saying that imagine you are playing with a toy car. Newton's laws explain how the car moves and what makes it stop. So with this example, I'm sure that kids can understand this quickly and they can like relate with their day-to-day activities. And so you can see that the explanation here. So let me bring it to mark now so that every star will become a highlight and all. Okay. So here you can see the law of acceleration, more push, faster go. So they can understand like the more I push my car, it goes uh, very fast in comparison to the slow push or small push. Okay. So this is the thing. Now I'm going to clear this prompt. And again, next thing which I'm trying that I'm going to create a media. So for this, I have some uh, images. So what you can do is that either you can upload some media from your local computer. The media can be either image or video, okay, or anything else, okay. So you can directly import some media to your prompt, uh, okay, and you can ask Gemini to, like, let's go to this YouTube, okay, and okay. So for this, I'm going to YouTube, okay. Give me 1 minute. Let me find some. So I am just another large language model explanation. So for this, what I'm going to do is that I'm using this media to YouTube video and I'm just pasting my URL. Now I'll validate it. Okay. Must enter a YouTube video that you own. Okay, so this is not my video. So, okay. So here we can't simply use some video which is having some uh, like we cannot upload any random video because of some privacy as well as copyright issues. Okay, let's find some. Okay, so I have some video. I hope. Okay, this is a small video. So it says that it's unable right now. I don't know why, because I'm not the owner of this. Okay, so it looks perfect. Okay, okay. So as you can see that this is a newspaper in India, a very famous newspaper, Times of India. So I basically downloaded this newspaper to demonstrate one of my uh, student that the color code. Okay. So I was explaining that uh, how the color is used with this YBR. Okay. So now this is the newspaper cutout for us. I'm going to ask, can you about this newspaper? So I'm asking like the date of this newspaper when it was published. So in this, it says that the date of newspaper is not mentioned in the image. Okay, so let's ask the name of newspaper. Okay, so the newspaper is Times of India, and you can also find some information. And there is one more thing that initially it was saying that they are like this prompt is not able to extract the date. But here you can see that it says that it's sometimes around 2011. So we can like it's a idea that okay we can have at least a year. So this is very much important. Okay, based on this NREGS. Okay, so this was a scheme which was implemented in 2005. Also, the layout and the style newspaper seems to be consistent with that of year 2011. Okay, so this is having the many more details which you can or I can keep. Okay, now I'm going to ask. Okay, so this it says I ask that according to you, which news is most important? So it says that it's a Ishrat Jahan encountered fake SIT call. Okay, so this is because this is a big news story that is being reported on by many media outlets. So it is also in its background is comparing with other newspapers. It may be because it's a it's a also a story that is likely to have a significant impact on the lives of many people. So now you can see how this prompt is working. And this is regarding a newspaper. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is that I am clearing the prompt and I'm going to import some different media. And there is a restricted size regarding the media. Okay. So it's regarding uh, mm, it's a Hanuman Yantra. Okay, so which I'm going to put into this, and I'm going to ask, can you identify this? So it says that this is a yantra, a spiritual diagram used in Hinduism and other Indian religions. It is a yantra dedicated to the Hindu deity Ganesha, who is the remover of obstacles. There is a mistake here. So it's a uh, this yantra is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, not to Lord Ganesha. So there is a little bit of mistake in this, which I found. Okay. So I'm just going to ask this prompt, can you extract this mantra which is mentioned in this yantra? So like, can you please? Okay. It says Om Kran Ganpataye Namah. Let me go back and check this. I just found this. So it's a Shri Hanuman Yantra. So there is a nowhere mention Om Ganganapatay. So it's a okay. So right now this is a very I can't say that this is working perfectly. So like I can also not now after seeing this example, I can't say that this is a reliable thing. Okay, as I used the previous one for my uh, one of the cutout of the newspaper, and it was saying the year 2011, and I'm not sure about that also. Okay, so there is some mantra which is Om Anjanaya Vidmahe Mahabalaaya Dhimahi Tanno Hanumat Prachodayat, and also Manojabam Maruti Tulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanayuttam Shri Ramdutam Sharanam Prapati. So there are a lot of mantras in this, but um, like I'm asking, can you try again? Can you try for other so that prompt cannot understand like this prompt is predicting wrong or right answer. So playing with prompt is also a very uh, challenging thing. Okay. So the image you provided is the Hindu deity Ganesh, also known as Ganesha. The mantra associated with Ganesha is Om Gam Ganpataye Namaha, which translates to, okay, it's common practice to chant this mantra before starting any new venture. So everything regarding Ganesha is perfect. But the question here is that I'm not asking for that. Okay, here the image is different. So again, it's mentioning a uh, very powerful mantra, which is for Lord Ganesha. And in my everyday life, I chant this. Vakrutunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Om Gam. Tavat. Okay, so this is not the right time to chant this. Anyways, let's clear this prompt. And I would say like I think you should analyze. So okay, so it says that I'm a text-based chat assistant. So let's clear the prompt and try to find some other. So I'm just dragging and dropping one of the image, and I'm going to ask. This is again, let me tell you before I'm going to generate any answer. So this is again a yantra which is for Lord Hanuman. So in this yantra, it is very powerful and useful. People should use this um in order to improve their health. And you can say if someone is feeling that is lost of power and focus, they should use this and chant this, which is Ham Hanumate Razum Kai Hum Fat. And also there is a Om Namo Hanumade Bhaya Bhanjanaya Sukham Kuru Fat Swaha. So these are the month, and also one month which is a very powerful. Um, so I'm going to ask this prompt. Let's see. Identify this one, or I'm going to ask caption is a magical scene of a fairy tale with a beautiful princess and a golden book. Okay, a magical place where anything is possible. Okay, can you text uh, can you expand text? So So it says the image shows a man sitting on a throne holding a glass of a wine. He's surrounded by lush foliage. So this is again, um, first thing is that the prompt should be trained perfectly. So this is a scenario. The image which I am posted here is a scene where Lord Hanumana is bringing Sanjeevani booty for Lord Lakshman to cure him. Okay, so this is that scene, and this Vertex AI is predicting it in a different way, and I don't know if I'll publish it on YouTube how it will look. So what should I do? I don't know. This Google Cloud is owner of this. Okay, owner. He's also the YouTube owner. I'm using his free service. First of all, I'm very thankful that I'm using this. Thank you. So let's um okay, so I'm just clearing. So can you update? So it's impossible to create a prompt that will make a language model exactly like me. Here is why. I'm a complex system. I am trained on massive data set of text and code, and my abilities are constantly evolving. Prompt engineering is an art. Crafting effective prompts is a skill that involves understanding the model's capabilities, the context of the task, and the desired output. It's not a one size fits all approach, correct? So, the next thing, uh, however, these, okay, some tips which is mentioned here regarding creating a prompt. Okay, great. So I am dosing a lot of questions. So again is coming with the same answer. Okay, I'm not going to compare it. Anyways, this is it for now. And next time I'll come with some uh, other topic in which you will see. I'll demonstrate you. how to create prompt. This is a, you can say, default one. Okay. And when you need to create some prompt, you need to understand a lot of basic things where you can input your questions, and you have to make sure that output or the answer should be very much uh, useful. Sometimes also we use some, not sometimes, we can use some external links, sources, in order to improve and enhance the uh, prompt. Also, we can use OpenAI and models. So I'll demonstrate you in next video. Hope you liked it. Thank you. If you have any question, please feel free and ask me anytime. Inbox is yours. The chat box is yours. The comment box is yours. And bye bye. Take care.